Hi, I'm Lashon and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello. My name is Lashon and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a very simple lifestyle vlog where I get here every morning and I try to uplift, encourage, and inspire as many people as I possibly can. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am the divorced mother of 3 adult children. I have 2 boys and a girl. I am a United States Navy veteran. I'm also a surgical tech. I am disabled and I work full-time here now from my home. I am a hustler. That's right, I'm a hustler. I get up every day and I work. I do something for my YouTube channel every single day. And I love what I do. I love to help people, uplift people, encourage people, and talk about the love of the Lord. That's right. So here I am. And if you like what you see, click like, share, comment, and come back here on a daily basis. So here's today's video. Hey YouTube, it's me LaShawn and I'm in the kitchen and I am cooking some sausages for breakfast, and I'm sitting down in my walker. I'm in my walker this morning, and so I'm pretty hungry this morning. So I was gonna make the toast, but we're gonna brown that sausage and make some scrambled eggs, and that's what we're gonna do this morning. Remember, our goal is to become as self-sufficient as we possibly can. That means we can do as much as we can for ourselves. Like right now, I'm having difficulty with the bathroom and stuff, so I'm gonna stay up out of the chair until the laundry service come in Walmart, because I got 2 services that are coming today that I have to have stuff ready for. But you have to sit your laundry outside, and I like to sit it out right when they come in to get it, and not a minute sooner. And so that's what I'm doing right now. You just gotta brown them sausages. And in the oven, I got the and I got the timer on the microwave. And we gonna do this breakfast thing. But it doesn't matter if you in a wheelchair or a walker, you still can get around and do the stuff that, I know it's hard for the sink if you don't have a wheelchair accessible sink. I realize those are difficult to have, but I'm hoping that this apartment comes through soon so that I can have a low sink, low toilet and stuff like that. Or not low toilet, I think it's the high toilet. Let's go check on these sausages. Okay, there are our sausages. These are eggs. We have the eggs ready and the sausage ready. Let's take a look. That's the sausage. These are eggs. There go our biscuits. They are ready. We just gotta take them out. Okay, these are our biscuits. This is our breakfast. We have our biscuits, and we have our eggs and sausages. And this is what we're gonna eat today. All we gotta do is taste this. Taste some eggs. Delicious. I want to thank you for joining me in the kitchen. We're going to put some jelly on these biscuits. Yeah, yummy, yummy apple jelly. Okay? This is my apple jelly. I'm going to put some on here. delicious. Now we're finna go eat our breakfast. At this time, we like to breathe in and breathe out to get our day started. You don't have to. I do it because it makes me feel better. You ready? Breathe in, breathe out. We are so thankful, Father, for another day. We are so grateful you woke us up this morning. And thank you for our food that we got to eat today. So wherever you headed today, to work, to school, maybe you got to go to the gym, be happy, be joyful, and put a smile on your face. And treat people with respect. It's the only way to live. So have a good day. Have a blessed day. And remember, God loves you, and so do I. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.